All right, this is homework number 43, percent problems again. You should be good at these since this is like our fifth assignment doing this. You can do either percent equations or proportions, whichever way you like. I like the is over the of, part over whole equals percent over 100. That way I don't have to worry about changing the percent. So, up to you, but I'm going to do all these this way. All right, 5% goes on top. Then I do my cross products. Multiply the diagonals. So I get 5x equals 1300. Divide by 5. X equals, so I'll take my calculator. 1300 divided by 5 is 260. All right. Line equals line 100. Percent goes on top. Is goes on top. So 3.4 is up here. And x. So I get 85x equals. Then when I multiply 3.4 times 100, that's 340. Then I have to divide both sides by 85. I get x equals, so 340 divided by 85 gives me 4. So 7% is over of. Now we do our cross products. 100 times x is 100x. 7 times 70 is 490. Divide by 100. We get 4.9. All right. This one we're going to go 25 goes over the 100 because that's the percent. Is over of, so 600 is the of, so it goes on bottom. Then we're going to do our cross products. Whoops. So that gives us 100x equals, and we multiply the other cross product. 600 times 25. That gives us 15000. Divide by 100. That equals 150. Okay. Next one. We're looking for the percent. The of is 150. Goes on bottom. 24 goes on top. Do our cross products, we get 150x equals 2400. Divide both sides by 150. So 2400 divided by 150. That gives us 16. And don't forget to put the percent sign. So 16%. Finding the percent again. So x goes over the 100. 16 out of 40 total. So we get 40x equals 1600. Divide both sides by 40. Get 40. And it's percents. Don't forget the percent sign. All right, so this one says the graph shows proportional relationship between x and y. Write an equation that describes the relationship. So we did this last chapter. So we need y equals kx. And remember, k equals y over x. So you can find any point on the graph. Let's say we do this point here. That's going to be 15 over 3, which equals 5. So we get y equals 5x. So this is our equation. So y equals 5x. So let's see if you guys remember that. So here's another one. It says the graph shows the price of renting films at a certain store. Write an equation describing the relationship between x and the number of movies rented, y, and their price. So this one does have proportional relationships. So that's good. Remember, it's going to be y equals kx. So y equals, what if I take this point here? 6 divided by 2 is 3, so 3x. So y equals 3x. Okay, so this one we have 55% times 740. I would do 55 over 100. Change that percent by putting it over 100 and then times it by 740. So 55 over 100 times 740 gives me 407. Okay, this time we're looking for the rate. So it's 6450 R equals 1032. So we're going to divide both sides by 6450. So we're going to go 1032 divided by 6450. That gives me 0.16, but we need to change it to a percent. So we're going to times that by 100. That gives us 16%. percent. All right, that's it.